got first?
This is the book of Ezekiel, chapter 3, verse 17.
So this is what we come out here to do, man. We come out here free of charge. We ain't looking for no handouts and that, man. We looking to save your soul and other brothers like you, the so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans. Go ahead.
Son of man, I have made thee a watchman unto the house of Israel.
So all these brothers up here that you see, man, we out here, we are the watchmen for Israel. We here to watch over the Israelites. Read.
Therefore, give the word at my mouth and give them warning from me.
So we hear the words at the Most High mouth because we subscribe to the whole Bible, not just the New Testament,
right?
Not just what Paul say,
right?
We deal with Genesis through Revelation.
That's right.
So we hear the words of the Most High mouth.
When I say unto the wicked, thou shalt surely die.
So, brother, now that you know that you're an Israelite, but you're in wickedness because you're not keeping the commandments. You got a beard on your face. That's a commandment that we must keep. We're supposed to keep our beards.
But I don't know how to be a father. How can we put them at a house format?
Spend no money. I can't spend no money on Thursday.
Can't spend no money on Saturdays. What that is, religion?
Tell them what it is. Tell them about
it's
the law.
our culture, our true culture. We're not Christians. We're Hebrew Israelites.
That's right.
What y'all is? Hebrew Israelites. You about Israelites?
Con.
You must fly.
You fly there.
What tribe you from? Your daddy is so-called African American? Your dad's black. You from the tribe of Judah.
Show them right there on the flyer. It's on the back of the flyer.
Yeah, it's on the back of the flyer.
It's right there. Judah. If you see it clearly, it says Judah.
That's right.
We just come here.
You smart.
We just come here to tell them we're breaking up our people. So because Yahushua hold a world called Jesus, but not that Jesus over there, that red cracker over there.
Right.
Set on shit.
White Jesus.
Not him.
Bring it out.
But he's black Jesus. If you can stay here long enough, we'll bring you up.
Sword out.
Uh-oh. Bring it out.
Bring it out.
Bring it out. Bring it out, man.
I'll give it to you. I can prove in the Bible. You know John 3:16, right?
It's about
all praise. You don't know that
God
scripture?
so loved the world.
God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten son. You heard that scripture before? Yeah, yeah.
Worlds. What kind of world? It didn't say God so loved the earth. It said God so loved the world. There's many worlds.
Hold on. Right there. No.
You ain't gonna run them over home, man. I love you.
So let me show you. I'll give you the description. It's Revelation. Remember the description. If you have a pen or something, you can write it down. It's the book of Revelation, chapter 1, verse 14.
Bring it out.
His hairs were white like wool.
Right.
Who the people? You not that dog string hair.
Right.
Who the people that got white hair on the earth?
Woolly hair.
Woolly.
Who got woolly hair?
White people.
We got woolly hair. Woolly hair is like a sheep. You seen a sheep before?
Yeah.
You know how sheep fur is?
Sheep.
They got woolly hair. So who got hair that's like a sheep? Us, right. So they saying in the Bible that Jesus Christ's hair was like a hair of a sheep, which is like us, right? Do white people have woolly hair? They don't have woolly hair. That's what we're trying to bring out.
Yeah.
And you see it, if you can see it, you can. That's how. This is just a
Right.
description.
See how you got woolly hair?
This is just
like
a
him.
description.
That's how
He's
you
not
look
the
in the
real.
scripture.
So that how God look for real?
That's how Jesus Christ. You know Jesus Christ?
He don't look like that in real
Yeah,
life,
God.
but he look similar like
It looks
that.
something similar to that. That's how the Bible describes him.
Right.
So whenever you go to the Bible or whenever you go to church and you see that white man with long hair, that's a lie.
Ask him.
That's not what
I've been knew that was a lie.
Right. So that's what he's trying to bring out. All he's bringing out, the Bible does describe how Jesus Christ looked, and they're saying that he looked like he's black with woolly hair. That's all. That's
So
all
what
he's
kind of
bringing
church you
out.
go to?
Yeah, I don't go to no church.
go to
you feel
church?
me?
Right.
I did politics. Me and my friend.
Right.
See, we did politics.
Right.
See, we sit around like that's good. Y'all learn about this while y'all young.
Right.
But we sit around and be like, okay, let's talk about this. We know all this. Let's talk about this.
Right.
How all the P.O.P people, just like a black African American stood up
Right.
And protested how are black people gonna make money.
Right.
Get what Donald Trump told them.
Right.
Sell drugs.
Right.
Like it's just a lot of things going on out here to where like black men need to like just stay out the way, because these white men, they don't care about your dad just like you have to throw away the key.
Right.
Let me show you.
And that's that's funny you said that, because the reason why we dealing with all that, the bottom, we on the bottom of society, we getting shot up, we selling drugs to one another, because it's all in the Bible.
And our president want us to do it just like he just said.
Right.
Y'all sell drugs.
Right.
This is the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 15.
And then everybody supposed to have wait, I think it was 14 acres
Right.
and a piece
And a
of
mule,
gold.
and a
Yeah,
mule,
and a
right,
mule.
right,
Yeah, it was
right,
a
right,
mule.
right.
And people supposed to got a piece of gold too.
Right.
So nobody supposed to suffer.
Right.
That's what so-called God supposed to live for us.
Nah, that's what see, when we came out of slavery,
Yeah.
the white man said he would give us 40 acres and a mule, right? That was a deal, because we worked on them for 400 years.
Yeah.
But did they do that?
No.
Of course not. See, that's why we go into the Bible, because if we go back to the Bible, all that was already in the Bible before, all that was already prophesied in the Bible before it actually happened.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Yes, sir.
you go to the Bible, it talks about us going to slavery before it actually happened, us getting that 40 acres and a mule,
Yeah.
not getting it, that's in the Bible, but
But I know another reason we ain't get it, because America came and stole gold. Like America came,
right.
they stole like people like Africa gold,
Right.
and they brought it over here. We ain't
Yeah,
supposed to do
yeah,
that.
you're right. There's a lot of stuff. Y'all, you smarter than y'all. Both of y'all smart, man.
Here's
what I'm saying?
one
So-
thing, like
but-
you know about the Trail of Tears.
Trail of Tears, right?
They took that from the 10 tribes, I mean the 11 tribes,
Right.
Because it's half of Levi,
Right.
and Ephraim, and all the tribes
Right,
down.
right, right.
Down. It's
So
Judah,
what do you see yourself in this trial right
and
here?
half of Levi.
What's your nationality?
All down.
What's your nationality? What would you call yourself? Black? So you'll be from the tribe of Judah. A lot of people call themselves African Americans or black.
Yeah.
But you know, that will be from the tribe of Judah. You'll be from the tribe of Judah. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we out here trying to bring out, your true nationality. You're not African American. That's a name made up in 1985. You know
That's
I'm
what
saying?
the white man named us.
Exactly. So what we bringing out, what God named us, what the Most High named us, he called us Judites from the tribe of Judah. That's our true nationality, instead of what the white man gave us.
And really,
see what I'm saying?
and really, the other tribes really went off.
Right. Other tribes went off. Check out, make sure when you go home, make sure you check this stuff out, man. Show it to your parents or whatever, you know what I'm saying, or your siblings, and just check it out. All right, we got some
Thank you.
information. All right,
Thank you.
appreciate it, man.
You know,